Today we're going to learn something very important in programming: variables. Don't worry, it sounds big, but it's actually simple. By the end of this video, you'll be able to explain variables in your exam and even use them in your own programs. A variable is like a box where we can store information. Imagine you have a school bag. You can put books inside, take them out, or replace them with new ones. A variable works the same way in coding. For example, Pythonx equals 10. Here, x is the variable, and it stores the value 10. If tomorrow we want x to be 20, we just change it. That's why it's called a variable, because the value can vary. Imagine you're making a game. The player's score keeps changing. Instead of writing the score again and again, we keep it in a variable called score. Types of variables, with examples. Integer, whole numbers, example, age equals 12. Float, decimal numbers, example, pi equals 3.14. String, text/words, example, name equals Asha. Boolean, true/false values, example, is_raining equals true. Let's try some simple example. Integer, number of chocolates in your pocket. Next. Float, price of an ice cream, 25.50 rupees. String, your best friend's name. Boolean, is it Saturday? Yes or no? Let's write a small program with all four types. Python code. Name equals Rahul. Age equals 12. Score equals 50.5. Is_student equals true. Print, name, age, score, is_student. This program prints Rahul's name, age, score, and whether he is a student. Simple, right? Here are some practice questions you might see in your exam. Now it's your turn. Think of your own variables. Write them down in your notebook. Let's quickly recap. A variable is a storage box for data. Types: integer, float, string, boolean. Variables help us store and change values in programs. Quick quiz. If x equals blue, what type of variable is it? If marks equals 95, what type is it? Answer: string and integer. Well done. Great job, coders. Now you understand variables and their types. This knowledge will help you in your exams and in real coding projects. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next class.